So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your USB, your SD card, your flash drive, your phone, or whatever your external drive is. You want to find out the drive letter. So for me, my USB is going to be the E drive. You're going to take note of your drive letter. Now once you find out what your drive letter is, for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in chkdsk space and now your drive letter. For me, it's going to be E colon. So now I'm going to type in my case, E colon. And then once you type in your drive letter with a colon, you're now going to type in space /F. Click on enter, which is now going to run the scan for you. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. This should not fix your problem. If not, then you just want to restart your computer, and this should not fix your problem.